Wall Street stocks made notable gains today. At the closing bell, the Dow was up 382 points. The S&P picked up 43, and the Nasdaq was up by nearly 153. The market's apparently reacting to a move by President Trump to hold off on a series of tariffs.
The stock market is way up today for various reasons, including tariffs.
President Trump says he's encouraged that markets have rebounded after he pulled back a bit on his trade war with China.
We had a very good talk yesterday with China, a very productive call. I think they want to do something.
On September 1st, President Trump had planned to implement a 10% import tax on $300 billion of Chinese imports not already subject to tariffs. But now the tariff list is narrowed and many delayed to December 15th. Products in this group include cell phones, laptop computers, video game consoles, certain toys, computer monitors, and some items of footwear and clothing.
We're doing this for Christmas season. Just in case some of the tariffs would have an impact on U.S. customers, which so far they've had virtually none.
The president is acting now as the trade war has triggered international economic jitters.
Around the world, the U.S. looks pretty good, really strong, but I think people are now afraid that the rest of the world will drag down the U.S. as well.
David Lester of DCL Capital says investors still may have a bumpy road on Wall Street.
I think the market is going to be a bit turbulent moving forward. It's only been delayed until December 15th, these extra 10% tariffs, and that isn't really a resolution. Plus, China hasn't come back with any sort of making peace deal as well.
Now, China's trade representative is scheduled to meet with U.S. officials in 2 weeks.